Blackhead. Hi, Blackhead. Hi, old girl. I like how you go, ow! Hey, don't pick fights. Blackhead. Meow. Hi. Pay attention to me. What's this? What's this? Hi. Hi. Why don't you come down and sit in my lap or something? Huh? Come here. Come on. Come sit in my lap. Blackhead. Blackhead. Hi. Hi, girl. My buddy, Blackhead. Hi, yeah. I'm gonna pet you before I clean the cat boxes. Hi. And get some water and food. You're a good girl, Blackhead. Huh. Meow. Hi again. Hi. Yeah. I'd adopt you if I could. Oh, I know, it's crinkly. No, no, don't touch that. Touch his poo-poo. You don't want to touch poo-poo, do you? I'm gonna clean the cat boxes now. It's nice seeing you for the evening.